Hello YouTube world. So we've got many comments of you guys that's been asking us to make another video of the burping girl. So that's brand new and let's see how it's gonna be. Hello. So we've got many requests from you guys to tell us things she wanna say. First of all, Ronaldo wanted my friend to burp his name. So can you do this for us, please? Wow. Okay, so they have girls from school that's been asking us to do some kind of burp, and we created for them some few names. So first of all, we're gonna start with the Lala burp. La 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 burp.
La 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 la.
Oh wow. Then we've got the bubble burp. Ooh. Can you do for us a nose burp? Look at your face. Okay. And we've got another request from one of our fans that wanna see her belly while she's burping. Can you do this?
Yeah.
For YouTube. So I'm gonna try to.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Okay. So as you see, guys,
It's not fake burp.
It's not fake burp. She kinda inhaled the air from her mouth. Then, well, she burps. She doesn't even need Coke for it. Oh yeah. Okay, we've got another request to do some kind of animal burping. Can you do our dog burp?
Yes.
Oh my. Can you do a cat burp? Can you do a fish burp?
I saw that. Oh my god. Okay, wait.
Okay, oh my god. This is funny.
What?
Okay, can you do for us a Paris Hilton burp?
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, okay. Can you do for us a Homer Simpson burp? Oh, that's a good one.
Yo.
Okay, this was meant to be dope. Okay, can you do for us a Justin Bieber burp?
Yeah. Wait, I'll show my face.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah, man.
Oh my. Oh, this is especially for Justin Bieber's fan.
Yeah.
Okay, can you make us a Tom Cowlitz burp? It's the guy from Tokyo Hotel. Okay. That's interesting. Do you have some kind of burp you want to show for our YouTube viewers?
No.
Okay, can you tell us bye?
Yes.
So, say bye for YouTube.
Bye bye.
Oh, give us our kiss.